DJ Phil all the way from the Philippines. Okay, so this is our belly flop competition. How it's going to work is we're going to invite them one by one. Then you're going to stand here and then we're going to count them in 3, 2, 1. Flop, they're going to jump up here like a graceful pregnant swan and smack off the water. Alright, how we're going to rate them is the more pain, the more points. Alright, so this is how it's going to work. For a 1 was rubbish, it was terrible. For a 2 was okay, there's a little bit of splashing, it was okay, not the best, not the worst. A 3 is an average score, it's pretty good. So, you're going to have red spots all around your body, we're going to see them crying just a little bit. The 3 is an average score. A 4 is pretty amazing, it is going to be, we want to see some red from the chest to the toes, we want to see them squealing with the pain. That's what's going to take a 4. But a 5 is something very, very incredible. We want to see them red roll from the top of their head to their toes, the colour of the lifeguard's trousers and jacket. We want to see their nipples move from the front to the back. We want to hear them screaming and crying. That's what's going to take a 5. However, there is something you need to look out for. What happens is they jump and then they make this position. Boop. Air from their forehead to their knees, because what happens is their upstairs computer sends signals to their downstairs computer and suddenly they want to protect the kids of the future. Well, that is called a book book. If you see that, you have to show me this sign around the pool. Are you ready? Alright, let's see who we got. Our first contestant today. He comes all the way from Pennsylvania, weighing in at 180 pounds. It's Adam! Okay, whereabouts are you from again?
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Alright, well let's see how they do it in Pennsylvania. Let's count them in 3, 2, 1, flop! Ooh! Think about those kids in the future.
Yeah!
Let's give them a rating, 1 to 5. Mike is going to add up all the score, multiply by 12, divide by 100 and multiply by 4 to get his average score. Get those hands in the air, what's going to be? You're going to 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, no, 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, 3, Hanson 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 10, he loved it. 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, oh that must be the family. 5, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Can you do that, maths? Alright, he's pretty good, alright. He's going away with a 4.31. That is a very, very good score. Okay, our next contestant weighing in at 190 pounds, all the way from Florida, it's Kyle! Alright Kyle, you ready? Let's take this back.
Alright,
Okay, thank you DJ. Kyle, where's your dance moves? Okay, that's good enough. Alright, let's hope his flop is better than his dancing. Okay, Kyle, have you done this before? Never before. You never practiced in the bath or anything? Maybe a little. I thought so. Alright, let's count Kyle in 3, 2, 1,
go!
Ballerina style. Let's go. Hands in the air. We got a 2, 2 to 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. That's even in the count. 1220011. I know what you're saying. You're number one. No, you're not saying that. All right. 4522 124 0 0 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 1 0 2 2 1 3 2 1 3 3 5. Friend. 3 2 2 2 3 4 1 2 2 1 2. The next one. 1 2 2 1 0 2 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 1 2 2 1 1 2. I'm English, love. Don't do that means something else. 1 2 2 5 2 1 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 2 1 2 1 1 1. Goes down, he just doesn't even have a rating. 0 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 3 1 2 1. Alright, he's going away with a 3.001. Okay. Now next contestant weighing 200 pounds all the way from Florida, it's Brian.
It's a little shy.
That's okay. Are you ready? It's really hot in there. Don't worry. Okay. You ready? We can do this. Let's count them in. Let's see if we can get that top score in 3, 2, 1. Flop! Whoa!
No.
I hear that. Oh.
His feet hit first.
I think you hear everything going on. Yes. All right. Let's get those hands in the air. Mike's gonna count. We got a 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 5, 10, 10. They loved it. 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I feel like everything. 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4. They loved it. 5, 5, 5. Even the other contestants like it was brilliant. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2.5 or something, 3, 4, 5, 4. All right, he's going away with a 4, 5, 3, 8, 9. Wow. All right, we still have a few more contestants coming your way. He weighs 205 pounds all the way from New York. It's Tim. You know him. No, you just love him. That's good. 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 2, that's all. 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, ooh, 3, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4 at the ball. 5, 4, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, walking 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 7, 7, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3. You got that? All right. He's going away with a 4.684. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving on to the heavyweight division. These next two floppers come with warning signs, okay? If you have children fairly near the pool, hold on tight to them because after these next two flops, they might not be there anymore. All right, our next contestant weighing in at 230 pounds all the way from Florida. Make some noise for Ethan! Oh, yes!
You know why?
All right, Ethan, there we go. Thank you very much, DJ. Yes, pull those shorts up. We don't want to see your crack. I liked it, Ethan. You were practicing your choreo before you got here too. Amazing. All right. Are you feeling confident? Are you traveling with any friends and family today, Ethan?
Yeah, my mom is right there, and then I don't know.
That's Mom. Right there. Oh, you know she's over there, and they both have their phones. Remember, what goes on the ship goes on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, so make sure it's a good one. All right, get those cameras ready. Let's count them in. In 3, 2, 1, flow! All right.
Good job.
What a solid look. All right, let's go. Get those hands in the air. We got a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 1, 0, 1.0, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 3, 1, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 7, maybe 5, 4, 5, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5 from them, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, is that 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 2, 5, he's trying to trick me, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, I can see it, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4 and a half, 3 and a half, maybe 4 and a half in the finger, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, okay, he's gone away with a 4, 5, 6, 6, 2, alright, we have now come to our final contestant, all the way from Indiana, weighing in at 1 metric ton. It's Mr. Luchdo. Luchdo. Oh wow. What everyone is thinking around this pool. Are we saving the best till last?
Si, señorita.
Alright, sounds good to me.
Still
Let's count them in 3, 2, 1,
right.
Whoa! Alright, who's it gonna be? Get those hands in the air. What did we think of that final flop? Let's go to the counting. We got it. 3, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 5. Got lots of hands. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, don't care. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Don't thumbs down. Ooh, you're harsh. 5, 4, 5, 2, double 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 0, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4. I'm watching you. 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, and a half, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and the cameraman. All right, we is going away with a 4.571. All right, give them all a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to now invite the top 3 floppers back for a flop off. Okay, so we're going to invite. Okay, Mr. Luchador, please come forward. Also, Ethan and Tim, you are in the final 3. Come on forward. Alright, take position. Alright, so now these are our top 3 scores. We're going to give them the opportunity to do 1 more flop each. Then we were going to go to you guys for a round of applause and enough noise at the end. So, let's take position. Who are we going to go with? Let's see. We're going to go with, let's start with Tim. Please take your position. Remember, your vote really counts this time. Let's make it work.
go, Tim.
Third, second, and first place. Let's do his stretches. He's ready to go. Let's count him in. 3,
Air,
2,
air, air.
flop!
Yeah.
I think you touched the sun and I can't even see the sun.
Go, Tim.
What? It's like a gymnast.
Good job. Good job, man. Good job.
The next up is Ethan. Are you ready?
You gotta go higher now.
All right, Ethan, let's count them in. 3, 2, 1, flop! The competition is on.
That's still good.
Felt and hurt bad. All right, Mr. Luchino, you are last but not least. This is your chance to see if you can take that championship. Ready? Are you ready? Let's everyone
Come
count
on.
them in. 3, 2, 1, flop! Whoa! All right, give them a big round of applause, everyone. Let's line them up because we're now going to go to a vote as they come out the water. So yeah, yes, and the water that you flop. So you need to make as much noise. Go crazy. Could be Mr. Luchino. Tim. You decide.
It's Tim.
Okay, just pin it. I think you already did. Where's going to go with third place today? Who's our third place contestant? It's going to be Mr. Luchino's in third place today. Give him a big round of applause. And he is taking our silver medal today. In second place, who's it going to be? It's going to be Ethan! Which means the winner of the belly flop competition taken away the gold.
Let's go, Tim.
Royal Caribbean Cup. It's
One more.
Tim!
One more.
Flop.
One more.
One more flop. One more flop. All right, champion, let's go. Let's make that belly match your back. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Feel good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of our belly flop competition, give it up to Tim! Thank you very much to every single person who has made their help
It'll be on YouTube.
just for your entertainment game. Thank you very much.